Hi, I'm Hannah and I own the Bead shop. We started in January 2000 in West End Arcade in a really small unit there. We added a coffee shop in July 2021. Kind of as a response to COVID, we wanted to have another income stream, but we also wanted people to have a place that they could come and sit and make things. On the ground floor in the shop, we have tea, coffee and cake area. We also have loads and loads of loose beads, so you can choose whichever beads you want to make your jewellery. We also have lots of things to get started with any creative pursuit, all the tools that you might need for wire work, jewellery making, needle felting, embroidery, anything that really can involve beads at all. Downstairs we have our wholesale department. It's primarily larger quantities of everything that we sell upstairs. We send mail orders out every day, so if you place an order in the morning, we'll send it out that afternoon for you. When they come in, we print them off and collate them. They're then checked by a different person, and then we package them up, write a note thanking you for placing an order with us, and send it out that day for you.
Hi, it's Steph here at the Bead shop in Nottingham, sat in our workshop room where we teach loads of our workshops, from everything from beading to silversmithing, resin, wire work, so a wide range of crafts. We offer group workshops and parties as well as one-to-one tuition, so if you've got a kid's birthday or an occasion coming up, then you can actually book a private session with us. We have timetable workshops throughout the year as well. Our one-to-one can be done to be tailored to you. You can book our workshops either in person in the shop, over the phone or on the website. For private classes, you can give us a call and we can discuss options. Many of our kit designs start off as a workshop. All our kits are available both in our shop, where you'll also find examples of many of them, and on the website.
Hi, I'm Emma and I do the restrings here at the Bead shop. People can just come into the shop with their jewellery that needs fixing. Sometimes people literally just bring me a bag of beads and ask, can you fix this? We will have a look at it and see if it's something that we think we can fix, and if it is, we'll take it in. You don't need to book an appointment or anything to get your jewellery looked at. Just come in whenever the Bead shop is open. Whichever member of staff is there will have a look at the jewellery and see if it's something that we can fix. We also get people who send us in photos via email when they live further away from the Bead shop to see if it's something that we can do and send back to them via post. We do all types of fixing, from simple strung beaded necklaces to knotted pearl necklaces. We also fix things like brooches that are missing stones or diamantes, but pretty much any type of costume jewellery that a traditional jewellers wouldn't really look at, we will have a go at fixing.